So you've made a purchase from our Simon Says Stamp website, and now that you've had a chance to use your new crafty supplies, we'd love to hear what you think. Did you know that you can write reviews on the products we carry? Not only is this a great way to share your thoughts, but your experience may be helpful to other customers in deciding if a product is right for them. In this video, we're going to walk through where you can find these reviews and how to write a product review. Let's begin on a category page. On this category page, you can see several products listed. If the product has at least one review, you'll see a star rating underneath the product name. Star ratings are based on the overall review score of that product, rounded to the nearest half star. But reviews are so much more than a star rating. You can also add a description and even a photo alongside your rating. So let's take a look at an item page to give you an even clearer example. For this example, we're using the Simon Says Stamp Intense Black ink. As you can see, the review has a headline, an overall star rating, the name of the person who wrote it, and a review description. With headlines like "My favorite black ink," "life-changing," and "really black color," we know right away the authors of these reviews feel strongly about the products they're using. Some products may have so many reviews that you'll need to page through them using the navigational buttons. Now let's walk through writing a review. You'll begin by entering your name and email address into the appropriate fields. You don't have to enter your full name, but we do recommend adding at least a last name initial to identify yourself. You can also feel secure adding a review knowing that your email address is for internal use only and will not ever be displayed on the review itself. Next, we're going to move on to the headline. The headline should be an overall summary of your review, typically in 50 characters or less. Give the product an overall rating out of 5 stars, then add a description in the review text field. After you've finished the description, you'll have the option to add a photo to your review. We'd love to see where you use this item on a project, in your craft space, or in other creative ways. Here are a few examples of great and helpful reviews that other customers have left on our website. Notice how these reviews have easy-to-read headlines followed by concise but detailed descriptions. Please note that reviews are not automatically posted. Our teams do filter for spam and appropriate content, but your review will be published shortly after it's received. Thank you so much for joining us to learn more about our product reviews feature. We'd love to hear what you have to say about the products you've purchased from us. If you've made a purchase and you want to share your thoughts, be sure to leave a review. Don't forget you can subscribe to our channel for more quick tip videos and weekly inspiration. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll be back very soon with more to share.